When you compete, yung kaba, pushing your boundaries and all that, it's good for you. It's good for everyone talaga. My name is Joshua Fresnosa.
Gi or no gi?
Wala akong preferred eh. It's both challenging eh. So I can't say na may favorite ako eh. Kasi mas fluid ako sa nogi, pero mas technical and I have to really think hard pagdating sa gi. So bakit hindi? Take on both challenge.
So what's your favorite competition move?
Hindi ko nagawa ngayong competition but isa sa mga favorite takedowns ko is lateral drop. So kasi they don't really expect it. It's more of a gotcha takedown. Unfortunately, hindi ko nagawa kasi walang nagbibigay ng opening sa akin.
What made you build the confidence to have that reaction to attempt it, especially during competition when everything is on the line?
I guess when you just have the opening eh. Saka I think dahil round robin, you can really experiment and just have fun. And that's what I did kasi sobrang pagod. Pero I just really had fun. It's very respectful and honorable lahat ng mga competitors. Yeah.
What do you think helped you the most during this competition?
Mga upper belts ko na mabibigat, tinutukan ako, ginulpi ako habang training. And I really appreciate them kasi sila yung bumugbog sa akin para mag-push sa akin to become more smoother sa competition.
What motivated you when you first started competing?
You just wanted to get out of your comfort zone. Kasi pag masyado kang komportable, parang nagiging stale ka eh. So when you compete, yung kaba, pushing your boundaries and all that, it's good for you, it's good for everyone talaga.
The biggest advice mo to anyone that wants to start competing?
Pag nag-uumpisa talaga, kakabahan ka. Magko-compete ako. Sinabi ko sa isa sa mga ka-teammates ko, kinakabahan ako. Sobra, kinakabahan ako bago matulog, all that. Tapos sabi niya, pag kinakabahan ka, that's good. It means you're smart. Kumbaga, shoutout sa mga ka-gym ko, sa mga coaches ko. Lance Penzon, si Coach Benjo, si Coach Gelly. First coach ko si Edmond. Shoutout sa Bulacan Martial Arts Academy. One of the best place to learn martial arts sa Bulacan.
So much. Congrats again. Congrats. Thank you.